Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Little short video. I did this last night. Still not happy about it, but I figured out a quicker way to do something, quite a bit quicker. We needed to fill in these lines so we could make the boxes around the lines. And by doing that, I had to make the boxes and then delete these lines later and actually cut them out. So I started thinking of use the shift tool, and this has to be all grouped together. It has to be one piece, so the text can't be separate than the box. And you go over your shift tool and double click on it, the rectangle tool, nudge that one down, pick this one, hold down the shift and double click on the rectangle tool and move it down. Pick that one, double click on the rectangle tool and move it down. You could either do these individually or together. If you group them together for just a second, you can contour them all at one time. And we're going to go to Effects and Contour, and we're going to contour to the outside that 1/2 inch. And then we can go and break the contour apart. And what's so good about it, the red is grouped together, so we can just delete them all at one time. Now the blacks are grouped together, but you can delete them. But look, I have made boxes around that writing, and the Smart Fill tool will still work. And I would always suggest to use the Smart Fill tool if you were going to cut this out and actually use your Smart Fill. Because if you look, these are still grouped together, and so on and so on, where this is going to be a good solid cuttable piece because all the pieces have been basically welded together. Anyway, I hope that little simple trip helped. Thank you for watching.